Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you the best Airbnb promo codes in 2024. This method of getting discount codes for Airbnb is super easy. It does take a few minutes, but you are going to be able to save a bunch. I think at least $200 off your next booking, which can go a long way. You can potentially save thousands as well if you apply a different code that I'm going to show you. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. Make sure you follow all of the instructions, hit that like button if I help save you money, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so as promised, here is the tutorial and instructions on where you have to go to get your Airbnb discount codes. So you've got to go to this website on your mobile phone, www.wavycoupons.com. Wavy Coupons. So you've got to go to this website here, and because they have tons of different pages, to simplify your navigation to the Airbnb page, you go to the search bar, type in Airbnb, and you're looking for the Airbnb coupons and deals page. Open it up. You can see there's two different codes that you can choose between, namely a $200 off code. Also, there is a 50% off code. So if you're going to be doing an expensive booking on Airbnb, then this 50% off code could potentially save you hundreds, if not thousands. If you're doing a short stay, such as 1 or 2 nights in a hotel, then the $200 off code is going to be more beneficial. Obviously, this is a worldwide code, so it will just apply in your local currency. So tap on show coupon for whatever code you want, and you need to unlock your discount code. As you can imagine, these codes are quite in demand. They save a lot of people a lot of money, so this prevents someone from taking every code. This limits you to 1 code per person. Now I've already got my code, so I'm going to save the codes for you guys, but you need to unlock your code by tapping the blue button. And when this reaches 100%, like I said, I'm not going to do it, but when it does, you're going to be able to follow the instructions, and it tells you how to unlock your code. You need to basically just verify yourself by completing a couple of free tasks. Super easy. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's going to get you your promo code. And once you have it, just progress through the booking process on Airbnb, and in the discount code section in the basket or at checkout, apply your code, and that's going to save you money. So yeah, go to wavycoupons.com, follow the instructions, hit that like button if you successfully saved money using these codes, and yeah, enjoy wherever you're going to travel to next. Peace out.